Today, paalala o attention please to all my members, to all my supporters, to all everyone. I want to say goodbye for a while in my YouTube channel. Especially to all my supporters and members, I cannot support you with starting next week, November 19, I'm going holiday within 2 weeks. I return back in Singapore by December 5. So, see you soon, everyone, especially to all my members, my supporters, always in my live, in morning, nighttime, silent, non-silent. Thank you, everyone, for your support. Hindi ko not mention all because hindi ko na alam kung sino-sino kayo, pero alam niyo kung sino kayo. Thank you, thank you. By the way, thank you so much for your support. Not even lagi ako sa channel niyo mag-visit, pero nag-visit kayo. Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyong suporta. Sana nandyan kayo kahit wala ako. Kung wala kayo dyan, wala din ako dito. So, thank you everyone. See you soon. Mag-live man ako pero not even a long live or silent live. Live, maybe quick live like that. Ipakita ko yung kung ano yung lugar namin, ganon. Pero hindi siya long. This vacation must spend more time in your family, not only in social media. Okay? Because in family first, give more time. Because family is our important priority, not in social media. Okay? Yung social media nandyan, but your family must spend more. Even na mga OFW, na minsan lang natin makasama within how many years na hindi tayo nagbabakasyon. Lalo na ako kasi minsan magbakasyon ako, not even in Middle East because in good for 1 month or 2 months. In Singapore, only 2 weeks. More 2 weeks only. 2 weeks ang bakasyon namin. Kahit sino mga katulong, hindi ko alam yung iba. Pero mostly talaga dito sa Singapore, yung bakasyon namin, 2 weeks lang talaga. Hindi ko alam. Kahit manghingi ka ng 3 weeks, bihira lang sila nagbibigay ng 3 weeks. 1 month, bihira. Siguro mga yung mga foreigner, yung mga puti. Pero yung mga Chinese, 2 weeks lang talaga. Kasi Chinese yung amo ko, 2 weeks lang talaga binibigay nila. Yun lang ang nila. So, salamat at maraming salamat. Kita-kita-kits tayo guys sa aking pagbabalik. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung lugar namin. Mainit or maano ba yung lugar namin? Napakainit yung lugar namin guys kasi nasa tabi kaming dagat. Yan, dagat. Dagat sa amin. Pwede ka maligo anytime, mag-night swimming. Salamat guys, see you soon. Mag-live man ako siguro pero hindi siya mahaba, 'di ba? Mahaba na yung 1 hour, 2 hours, 'di ba? Thank you and bye-bye. We miss you all guys. Ingat lagi kayong lahat. God bless. Pero wag lagi sa social media. Mas hi, hello to your family, friends, brother and sister, okay? Because our family is priority, not social media. Okay, thank you and God bless you all. This is Twin B song. Twin B song. Kita-kits tayo, guys. Kita-kita, guys. November 19, midnight. So, afternoon, nasa, Philippines. Afternoon, siguro sa amin, mga 5, ganon. Sa amin, before mag 6 o'clock. Ganon. O, diba? Thank you and bye-bye. See you soon. See you Philippines, see you. Kung sino malapit, punta kayo, maligo tayo sa dagat. Kung sino malapit sa Negros Escalante, Negros Occidental. Kaya ng isda, sinong fish lovers. Fish lovers si host, mas okay pang kumain ng puro isda. See you guys. Bye-bye. We love you all. Miss ko kayo. Ma-miss ko kayong lahat. Kaya live lang ako kasi malapit ang Alam mo na, dito free wifi. Sa amin walang wifi. Mahirap ang signal sa amin. Kaya nilubos-lubosan ko na mag-live. Okay? See you. See you Philippines. Bye-bye to all my friends. For a while only. Okay? Thank you. You. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. You, ha, ha. Bye-bye.